Florida senator proposes state investment in Bitcoin to hedge against inflation. Adoption. Bitcoin. Florida. Add disclosure. Add disclosure. We believe in full transparency with our readers. Some of our content includes affiliate links, and we may earn a commission through these partnerships. However, this potential compensation never influences our analysis, opinions, or reviews. Our editorial content is created independently of our marketing partnerships, and our ratings are based solely on our established evaluation criteria. Read more. The proposal follows similar legislative moves by other U.S. states exploring Bitcoin adoption in their financial reserves. Last updated, February 8, 2025. Add disclosure. Add disclosure. We believe in full transparency with our readers. Some of our content includes affiliate links, and we may earn a commission through these partnerships. However, this potential compensation never influences our analysis, opinions, or reviews. Our editorial content is created independently of our marketing partnerships, and our ratings are based solely on our established evaluation criteria. Read more. Author. Ruhalamin Haqqanaz. Ruhalamin Haqqanaz. Author categories. About author. Ruhalamin Haqqanaz is a contributing crypto writer for Crypto News. He is a crypto and finance journalist with over 4 years of experience. Ruhalamin has been featured in several high-profile crypto. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated. February 8, 2025 at 11:43 GMT+2. Why trust CryptoNews? CryptoNews has covered the cryptocurrency industry topics since 2017, aiming to provide informative insights to our readers. Our journalists and analysts have extensive experience in market analysis and blockchain technologies. We strive to maintain high editorial standards, focusing on factual accuracy and balanced reporting across all areas, from cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects to industry events, products, and technological developments. Our ongoing presence in the industry reflects our commitment to delivering relevant information in the evolving world of digital assets. Read more about CryptoNews. Add disclosure. We believe in full transparency with our readers. Some of our content includes affiliate links, and we may earn a commission through these partnerships. Read more. Florida Republican Senator Joe Gruters has introduced a bill proposing that the state allocate a portion of its funds to Bitcoin and other digital assets as a hedge against inflation. The proposal follows similar legislative moves by other U.S. states exploring Bitcoin adoption in their financial reserves. Gruters introduced the bill to the Florida Senate on February 7, arguing that inflation has significantly reduced the purchasing power of state-managed funds. The state should have access to tools such as Bitcoin to protect against inflation, Gruters stated, emphasizing that major financial firms like BlackRock, Fidelity, and Franklin Templeton already recognize Bitcoin as a store of value and inflation hedge. Florida bill proposes authorizing CFO to invest state funds in Bitcoin. Under the proposed legislation, Florida's chief financial officer, CFO, Jimmy Patronis, would be authorized to invest in Bitcoin within various state funds, including the General Reserve Fund, Budget Stabilization Fund, and select agency trust funds. However, Bitcoin holdings would be capped at 10% of any account's assets. By comparison, Wyoming recently proposed a similar bill but with a 3% cap on Bitcoin allocations. Meanwhile, Kentucky became the 16th state to introduce legislation supporting a Bitcoin reserve just a day before Gruters' bill was filed. Gruters' proposal comes months after Florida's CFO Jimmy Patronis advocated for Bitcoin investment in state retirement funds. In an October 29 letter, Patronis referred to Bitcoin as digital gold, suggesting it could diversify the state's portfolio and act as a hedge against traditional asset volatility. As reported, Missouri Representative Ben Keithley has also introduced a bill aimed at incorporating Bitcoin into the state's financial strategy. House Bill 1217, HB 1217, filed on February 6, proposes the creation of a Bitcoin strategic reserve fund as a hedge against fiat currency inflation and a means to diversify Missouri's investment portfolio. Utah one step closer to becoming first U.S. state with Bitcoin reserve. Utah House Bill 230 recently cleared the state's House of Representatives on February 6 and is now moving to the Senate. Utah's bill, introduced by Representative Jordan Teuscher, would allow the state treasurer to allocate up to 5% of public funds into Bitcoin, stablecoins, and other high-cap digital assets. According to data from BitcoinLaws.io, 17 U.S. states are actively discussing Bitcoin reserves, with Arizona, Kentucky, New Hampshire, North Dakota, Wyoming, and South Dakota among those considering similar legislation. Utah remains the front-runner, with its bill just 2 steps away from enactment. However, not all states have embraced the idea. North Dakota lawmakers recently rejected a proposal, HB 1184, that would have allowed investment in crypto and precious metals, with the bill failing in a 32 to 57 vote on January 31st. In another positive development, U.S. spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds, ETFs, saw inflows totaling nearly $5 billion in January, a strong start that could push them toward $50 billion or more by the end of the year, according to Bitwise CIO Matt Hogan. Hogan noted that spot Bitcoin ETFs absorbed $4.94 billion in January alone, an annualized pace of approximately $59 billion. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. How Tether co-founder William Quigley views crypto regulations in Trump's second term. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sachs as White House AI and crypto czar. Trump Media and Technology Group files for ETFs. SMS Trader explains why XRP could skyrocket to $100 after Tristan Tate ex-post Bitwise Matt Hogan makes big prediction on Bitcoin's next bear market. Price analysis. 4 XRP ETF filings hit the SEC. Will this push XRP to new all-time highs? 20 hours ago. By Simon Chandler. Blockchain News. What's happening in crypto today? Daily Crypto News Digest. 20 hours ago. By Seed Fadil Pazik. Bitcoin News. Utah one step closer to becoming first U.S. state with Bitcoin reserve. 1 day ago. By Ruhalaman Hakanas. Blockchain News. Bybit, BitGet, MEXC, Qcoin apps. Removed from Japanese App Store. 1 day ago. By Tim Alper. Altcoin News. House Republicans release discussion draft for U.S. stablecoin regulation. 1 day ago. By Suja Sundararajan.